So in this video, we will see how we can import different files in After Effects. I have already created this solid background. You can see I have different files here. Now right click in project panel, click on import, click on files, and from here you can select your files and import them in After Effects. Now just drag any files you want in timeline above the solid layer. And can drag any image or video in timeline. You can directly click on delete . And now when we know all the basics of After Effects, we can move to our animation part.